In this video, we'll show you how to scan to connect your phone and computer with the Office Kit. Before using, please visit pc.vivoglobal.com, download and install the Office Kit on your computer. Before using, please make sure that your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Open the Office Kit on your computer. Click Connect to Device and click Not Now. Manually connect. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap More Connections. Choose Office Kit. Tap Scan to connect. Scan the QR code on the computer.